Hey, hi! So today I'm going to show you some upgrades I'm going to do to my Amiga 500. So I have them here, right here. There are three things. I'm going to show you really fast, and then we're going right inside the thing. So the first one is Fat Agnus. This is the father. It's 8372A. Is allow me to switch between PAL and NTSC and use 1 megabyte of chip RAM. Here I have the TerribleFire 536 accelerator card, which you can see here. Let me remove that. It has 50 megahertz or 64 megs of RAM and IDE slot. And this is my ID disk on module. I got this from a Team client. I'm going to use this for, well, storage. This is 2 GB, pretty cool. And lastly, whoops, it fell off. I have this Amiga 3.1 ROM, so I can boot from the IDE hard drive. And it's the recommended version of Workbench to run this card. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's get inside this thing and do the upgrades. Okay, so I'm going to take this thing apart. Really hard because it has so much screws on the bottom. Really hard. Oops, it's done. Okay, I'm going to let this thing away. And you can see, let me remove the keyboard from the view and to actually unplug this thing. As you can see here, pretty stuck except for the ROM switcher. This is a DKB 2 ROM switcher. You can see it has in this case 2.04 and 1.3. I'm going to replace the 2.04 for the 3.1, replace this big ass MOS 8370 and actually remove this bridge and move the other one to the pin on the top, and also replace the CPU with the TerribleFire card. So let's get doing that. So I'm going to shut down my monitor, unplug that thing, unplug power, and I'm going to remove first the Fat Agnus. So I need my PLC extractor. Okay. Okay. Perfect. It's outside. Discharge, and here's the original. Well, actually this is not original from a Rev 6 board, but this was one I had that was working. The original this board was dead. I'm going to install this. Cool. Okay, so the thing is supposed to fit like this. Perfect. You know, I'm actually going to fix the bridge. I have to do first before messing with this thing. Okay, so there's JP2 right here and JP7. This has to be open and it has to be close to the top. So I'm going to bring the camera closer. So first I'm going to break this bridge. I'm going to add a little bit of flux. Clean this. Okay, that's ready. And now the second one right here. Do a bit of flux. I'm going to remove the bridge. Okay, that's fine, and done. So yeah, I know wasn't the best angle because I don't have too much zoom. But yeah, there's a JP2 has to be 1, 2, and this has to be open. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's right. And now I'm going to install this right here. Okay, yep, that's right. And I'm going to install the 3.1 RAM. Okay, so I have here my 3.1 RAM. I'm covering the license. I don't know if it actually matters or not, but just because you never know. So I see removal tool. Okay, I don't really know why this 2.1 one has that red wire, but I guess it's stuck. Yeah, not really sure. What else? Let's add this thing right here. Okay, you can see here it's in the RAM switcher. Okay, that's perfect. And now I'm just going to do some testing. Okay, now I'm going to power the monitor on the computer. Check last time, everything looks fine. Okay, let's go. Okay, that's cool. It's still working. And I'm booting from my external GoTech drive. Just Workbench 1.3 show fine. Okay, nice. And the RAM. Okay, you can see here I have 1 meg of cheap RAM. So that means it works. Let me test without a floppy. I'm going to reboot this thing and let's see if I actually have Workbench 3.1. Yes, I do. You can see I have here no expansion boards. I can choose boot option and display option right here, so I can switch between an NTSC and PEL. So yeah, pretty cool. So yeah, no, let's just go to the CPU. Pretty cool. Okay, now I'm going to replace the CPU. I'm going to remove it. First, I'm going to remove power and video. And I'm going to remove the CPU carefully, pretty loose. Okay, so here's the 68K original, CPU. Cool. And here is the TerribleFire card with the relocator. You can see I have actually replaced the original CPU slot before because it was damaged and the CPU didn't actually make good contact. So it's going to be perfect to install that. Okay, looks like it's fitting perfect. Okay, I guess it is. Okay, it looks just fine. Let's just do a quick, really quick power up test. Pulling in video. And let's put this thing up. Point the monitor again. Okay, that's supposed to be good. It's not doing anything. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's supposed to happen. Just boot from the GoTech. This says info. Just because. Okay. That looks just fine. I'm clicking, floppy is clicking, okay, that's fine. Okay, so I have ECS Agnus, so here is the 68030, no FPU, you can see now the kickstart is updated, and let's just do this thing, benchmark. Okay, so now we have acceleration. Okay, that's expected. So we have the memory, we have the 64 megs of RAM, that's amazing, and 1 meg of chip RAM. That's really cool to see. And yeah, of course, there's no disk model, so no storage. I'm going to install that now. Power down. Okay, now with the magic of video editing, I have already installed 3.1 here. Come on, focus. And do some program install, just really basic stuff. And let's see how it works now. It fits pretty good. Can I show you? You can see it fits amazingly on that board. So let's put the thing really quick. Yeah, that's good. There's no disk on the drives. And it's boot up. Yeah, I'm so happy to see that now. It's really cool. You can see I have my meg of graphics or chip memory and my 64 megs of fast RAM. Yeah, I'm really happy to see this actually working. Now, I'm really scared about shipping this thing from, really far away. But yeah, it looks fine. You can see I have already some stuff on the drive. You can see I can run this thing really fast. Really cool to see that now. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's amazing actually. Now I have to install software WHD load, I think it's called, so I can load games and other demos and stuff. Yeah, I'm going to put this thing again back together. Yeah, I will call that thing done. I'm really happy. Now I'm going handheld, so sorry about shakiness. Yeah. Here's the Amiga. Disassembly. As you can see, it's booting just fine. Yeah, it's pretty good. Another thing I made for this, that's really homebrew stuff, is the external floppy drive adapter I made myself based on a project I'm going to link on the description. Let me shut down this thing. You can see here, this is an adapter, just wire wrapped here, really crappy. Allow me to use actually any flop drive as an external drive. So yeah, you can see pretty homebrew, but looks fine. I mean, it works fine, doesn't look that fine, but yeah, I'm really happy about this. So, and also I'm really happy about this thing. Sweet. So yeah, yeah, in this video was only this. I'm really happy to see everything working fine. You have any questions, you need any kind of information, just leave it in the comment section. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye.